So this is the new POCO M5S in all its glory. Before giving you my full review, let's do a quick unboxing first. So these are the user manuals that you're going to get when you unbox the device. And then this neat and clear TPU case that looks, yeah, pretty basic but good enough to protect your phone for a couple of months. And then you're going to get this SIM ejector tool followed by the 33-watt fast charging brick and then the USB cable itself. So that's it for unboxing, and then let's have a quick look at the device. So the device back looks pretty neat with this kind of a glossy finish, and on front you are going to get a 6.43-inch AMOLED panel. So let's power up this budget beast first in order to see what's inside in it. So here it is. The AMOLED panel looks absolutely gorgeous and the screen looks phenomenal in my opinion. This screen can produce up to 1100 nits of peak brightness, which is absolutely cool. And talking about the display, the resolution of this mobile is clocked at Full HD Plus, and it comes with Gorilla Glass 3 for extra protection. As it's an AMOLED panel, you can take full advantage of the night mode in order to save the battery. So here it is. So the phone is powered by Helio G95 under its hood, which is a full-on performance-oriented processor from Mediatek. As you can see, there are absolutely no lags on the screen whatsoever, which is pretty neat for a budget phone in my opinion. The content looks sharp and app openings are smooth as butter. You can't expect more from a budget-friendly device like this. I've been using this device for a couple of weeks now, and I can clearly say that this device is a full-on daily driver. It comes with MIUI 13 out of the box and offers 64 GB or 128 GB storage space combined with 4 GB or 6 GB RAM. The octa-core processor on it is pretty old. However, it is one of the stable processors that came out from the house of Mediatek. So in my opinion, this phone can simultaneously perform your daily tasks and also gaming without any hiccups or jitters. The phone is also equipped with two stereo speakers, one on the top and one on the bottom. You can see the speakers right here in the top of the grill and at the bottom of the grill itself. The sound looks pretty neat, and the phone is absolutely lag free. And one thing I wanted so bad in this phone is higher refresh rate display. M5S comes with a 60 Hz panel. If this phone would have got a 90 Hz panel, this would have rocked even more in my opinion. However, the smoothness in this display is up to the mark and there are no complaints from me regarding that. So moving on, as you can see, the video looks pretty good playing on this display and the color reproduction is up to the mark. So let's move on to the most important aspect about this smartphone, its camera. On its back, M5S comes with a quad camera setup. The bigger lens on it is a 64 megapixel wide angle lens and the other are 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. These shooters can shoot up to 4K video ranging up to 30 frames per second, and when it comes to 1080p video recording, it can shoot up to 30 and 60 frames per second. And coming to the front, this phone is equipped with a 13 megapixel wide angle lens which can shoot up to 1080p HDR video at ease. The camera app on MIUI is neatly furnished and has got some amazing modes to try. Especially the 64 megapixel mode will let you capture images directly from the 64 megapixel wide angle lens on the back. So take a look. And the pictures taken out from this mode are absolutely fantastic. I'll be doing a separate video about these cameras, providing you every detail. So stay tuned for that video, and moving on, the most intriguing thing that I found interesting in this smartphone is its smoothness and the way it is handling multiple tasks with a lot of easiness. As you can see, there are absolutely no lags in the system whatsoever. Even this many apps are running around in the background. I think performance is the key factor for this smartphone. Even when you try gaming on this device, it will not disappoint you. Even at this price tag, this device has handled power hungry games like Asphalt, Call of Duty like a pro. As you can see, Gaming on this device looks absolutely incredible, and I've been using POCO F3 for some time now, and this device can easily pit against it when it comes to gaming performance. Even after long hours of game playing, this device is not getting heated up, and there are absolutely no lags observed in the gaming performance. I can play games like this 24/7 on this mobile device with a pair of headphones strapped on. I'll do a separate video showcasing its gaming prowess, so stay tuned. And I hope you all like this video. And if you like it, please share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.